Jobs that AI will replace by 2030. In the evolving landscape of technology and automation, the advent of artificial intelligence, AI, has been a transformative force, reshaping industries, revolutionizing processes, and redefining the way we work. As we peer into the horizon of the next decade, the impact of AI on the job market is poised to accelerate, with certain roles and tasks being gradually phased out to make way for more efficient and sophisticated automated solutions. While AI promises to bring unprecedented advancements and efficiencies to our world, it also raises questions about the future of work and the skill sets that will remain valuable in this new era. Let's explore some of the jobs that AI is projected to replace by 2030 and how this paradigm shift is shaping the future workforce. Routine data entry and administrative tasks, automation's prelude. Within the symphony of workplace transformation, the initial notes of change are resonating within the domain of routine data entry and administrative tasks. As AI algorithms continue to evolve and mature, their prowess in processing, organizing, and assimilating data has reached remarkable heights. This advancement, in turn, is heralding a subtle transformation in the landscape of jobs that have long been associated with repetitive data entry. As AI's algorithms grow more adept at recognizing patterns and interpreting data, the demand for manual intervention in these processes is projected to experience a gradual decline. The once familiar narrative of human involvement in these mundane tasks is poised for an evolution that embraces the automation potential of AI to enhance efficiency and accuracy. Customer service in call centers, conversations with algorithms. In the ongoing saga of technological evolution, the contours of customer service in call centers are undergoing a profound transformation. The rise of AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants is redefining the dynamics of customer interactions. These virtual entities, imbued with the capacity for instant responses and the ability to swiftly process information, are poised to redefine the realm of customer service. While the role of human customer service agents remains integral, especially in addressing complex and nuanced queries, the routine inquiries that form a significant portion of call center interactions are steadily being delegated to the efficiency of AI-powered systems. The landscape of customer service is thus poised to evolve into a hybrid model that combines human expertise with AI-driven immediacy. Manufacturing and assembly line jobs, the dance of automation. The domain of manufacturing, often characterized by the symphony of assembly lines, is experiencing a transformative melody composed by AI-driven automation. This crescendo of change is characterized by the growing prominence of AI-powered robots that are designed to execute tasks that were once the exclusive province of human workers. The process of automation is extending its reach from intricate assembly line operations to even encompass the realm of quality control checks. The precision, efficiency, and tirelessness exhibited by AI-driven robots are redefining the boundaries of manufacturing, and as a consequence, the demand for manual labor on assembly lines is anticipated to experience a notable decline. Data analysis and interpretation. Algorithms as analysts. The era of data has ushered in a new chapter of exploration, one where AI has taken on the role of an astute data analyst. The ascent of AI algorithms equipped with sophisticated data processing capabilities is poised to disrupt the conventional roles associated with data analysis and interpretation. As AI systems become increasingly adept at deciphering complex datasets, identifying trends, and generating insights, the requirement for human involvement in routine analytical tasks may witness a gradual reduction. However, the human role in refining AI algorithms and overseeing the ethical dimensions of data analysis remains an essential facet of this evolving landscape. Routine healthcare diagnostics, AI's clinical gaze. Within the hallowed halls of healthcare, AI-driven diagnostics are beginning to unfurl their potential. AI algorithms, equipped with the ability to analyze medical imaging data, ranging from X-rays to MRIs, are emerging as formidable tools in detecting anomalies and potential health issues. While medical professionals continue to remain pivotal in intricate diagnosis and treatment decisions, the routine diagnostic tasks are gradually being infused with the efficiency of AI-driven systems. This development signifies a paradigm shift in the healthcare sector, where AI operates as a complementary tool that empowers healthcare practitioners with insights, thus altering the contours of demand for certain radiology roles. Basic accounting and bookkeeping. Algorithms in ledger. The realm of finance and accounting, often characterized by meticulous bookkeeping, is witnessing the emergence of AI-powered automation. This evolution finds its expression in the realm of basic accounting and bookkeeping tasks. AI systems, equipped with the capability to process and analyze financial data, are revolutionizing the landscape by taking on tasks such as data entry, transaction recording, and rudimentary financial analysis. As AI lends its efficiency to these fundamental accounting processes, the demand for roles associated with manual bookkeeping is expected to witness a gradual transformation. However, the role of financial experts in strategic financial planning, complex analysis, and interpreting the nuances of financial data remains an indispensable facet of the financial landscape. Routine legal research, AI as legal scholar. Even the bastion of the legal realm is experiencing the winds of change through the advent of AI. The realm of legal research, once characterized by laborious examination of legal databases, is being invigorated by AI-powered algorithms. These algorithms are adept at scanning vast legal repositories, identifying relevant cases, and extracting key information. While the role of AI in streamlining legal research is undeniable, it's important to recognize that lawyers continue to remain indispensable in providing nuanced legal analysis, contextual interpretation, and courtroom representation. AI's role in this context transforms into a complementary tool that amplifies the efficiency of legal research. Retail cashiers, the era of self-checkout. The realm of retail, often shaped by the interaction between customers and cashiers, is navigating the advent of AI-powered transformation. The emergence of self-checkout systems and cashierless stores is redefining the contours of retail transactions. AI systems, integrated with sensors, cameras, and algorithms, are capable of identifying items and processing payments seamlessly. This shift is expected to impact the demand for traditional retail cashier roles, as routine transactional interactions evolve into automated processes. However, it's noteworthy that human staff will continue to play a pivotal role in providing customer assistance, managing store operations, and ensuring a seamless retail experience. Routine writing and content generation. Algorithms of expression. The realm of creative expression, including routine writing and content generation, is undergoing a metamorphosis in the presence of AI-generated content. AI algorithms, honed in language processing, are capable of producing news articles, reports, and even created narratives. While AI-generated content exhibits efficiency in routine writing tasks, the nuances of human creativity, emotional resonance, and storytelling prowess remain unique to human writers. As a result, the landscape of writing is transforming into a dynamic interplay between AI-generated efficiency and the depth of human expression. Navigating the landscape. Implications and evolution. The emergence of AI as a transformative force in the job market carries implications that extend beyond the realm of automation. As certain roles are gradually relinquished to the proficiency of AI, the workforce of the future is faced with a dual imperative: to cultivate skill sets that harness the potential of AI as a tool and to embrace uniquely human attributes that remain resilient in the face of automation. Creativity, emotional intelligence, critical thinking, complex problem-solving, and adaptability emerge as pivotal qualities that define human contributions in the age of AI. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.